We all know that, isn't it? That it is going to happen. Mohamed Salah is going to leave Liverpool despite having a contract of June 2027. And you know what? Arne Slot is going to get butchered for this, because this all started from the fall off when these both guys had during the mid of the November, December, I think. And yeah, the way the team is performing and the way the Arne Slot is getting criticism, I think this is it for him also, with the Salah going off. And yeah, उसके एजेंट ने बोला है कि he also doesn't know whether he will play in Europe and all. Let's see. Uh, if it plays in the Europe, that's great. If it doesn't, then several other. I think, in my opinion, he will go to Saudi Pro League, and because he's destined to be there. He's an Arab from Egypt, and very influential figure in a football ecosystem. If I talk about in the Arab system, in the Arab world, Mohamed Salah is a very big name, just like Ronaldo. So let's see what happens to Liverpool campaign पे. देखो, this gonna affect Liverpool campaign, because people are talking about Van Dijk को निकालने की बातें हो रही हैं, साला जा ही रहा है, एंड फुल रिसेट की बातें हो रही है. Arne Slot, we I think he's not gonna survive it. So let's see what happens to Liverpool. Very tough time, I think I see it for them. And इंटरेस्टिंगली, अगर तुम नेक्स्ट सीजन देखोगे, हो सकता है अगर यूनाइटेड को भी परमानेंट मैनेजर नहीं मिलता है, देन यू विल सी यूनाइटेड, लिवरपूल, इवन चेल्सी, मतलब टॉप सिक्स के तीन बड़े क्लब बहुत बड़े ट्रांजिशन पीरियड से जाने वाले हैं. एंड या उसके बारे में बाद में बात करेंगे. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट साला. आई थिंक साला को मैंने जब देखा है एज ए यूनाइटेड फैन, आई विल जस्ट से ओनली दिस, he was, you know, he was for us nightmare. आई थिंक वो जो 4050 या 70, जो भी लिवरपूल की इस पूरे डेकेड में सबसे बड़ी विक्ट्रीज, और इस 20th सेंचुरी में जो भी बड़ी विक्ट्रीज आई है, उसमें साला तीनों में बांट रहा है. आई एम हैप्पी इज गोइंग, even though he's having his downfall. I'm loving it, but the way the club is treated him, I think is just a disgrace from the manager and the management side. They are leaving him for free. I think वो भी लिवरपूल फैंस को अच्छी नहीं लगेगी, because they deserve it. Yeah, they deserve some money so that they can bring the reinforcement, because लिवरपूल ने पहली बार 500 मिलियन खर्च किया, और इस तरह से एंड दे विल सफर लाइक दिस, आई थिंक किसी ने भी नहीं सोचा था. एंड आई थिंक ये पूरा रीसेट चाहिए लिवरपूल में भी. यूनाइटेड में अभी देखो, यूनाइटेड में भी लोगों को लग रहा है कि अभी कुछ कि बहुत से ठीक हो रहा है, बट नेक्स्ट सीजन आई एम टेलिंग यू, अगर हमने रीइंफोर्समेंट नहीं लाया भाई, हमारी भी हालत एकदम स्पर्श जैसे हो जाएगी. सो आई डोंट थिंक सो व्हाट विल हैपन देयर एट दैट फ्रंट. बट या, मोहम्मद सलाह, what a legend, Premier League legend. As whenever I have watched him as a neutral, मजा आता था. Yeah, I never celebrated him because he is from the Liverpool team, which I hate as a United fan, जो कि मेरा बनता भी है. But yeah, uh, could have been treated better, could have been gone in a better way. But that's a sport. That's a sport. How it is, very brutal in the nature. And that's my 2 cent on Mohamed Salah leaving the Premier League and Liverpool. And yeah, he also expressed gratitude in a very nice way. अगर आप वो उनका पोस्ट जाके पढ़ोगे, he truly feel for this club and for this fan of for the Liverpool fans, and I think they also resonated equally for him. So yeah, let's see भाई, let's see what happens to Liverpool campaign, because अभी बहुत tough लग रहा है लिवरपूल के लिए. Yeah भाई, and that's I'm signing off. Gravity FC मेरा YouTube channel है. If you like this content, just like, share and subscribe, right? And yeah, I will posting it unedited, nothing edit and all, just posting as I thought. If you like it, just share it, and ciao.